pizza. Let's open it. Filled with cellophane. Still with cellophane inside.
It's the parcel of Angelique.
There's no pala. Ay, my goodness.
Oh my goodness, it's a book. Oh, you have to read that all. Para may silbi na nag-order tayo ng babasahin. So, it's for Andre to read. Practice reading. Para matuto magbasa. Hindi siya marunong magbasa. Okay.
I will pili one.
So, this is how many booklets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 only for 250 pesos. That's all. The safest house. Go swimming.
Where?
Talking parrot. Ano ba yan? My best friend. I wish I could. What else? Find Grace. Ay, sige man. Sample, Andre. You read the My Dream. My Dream. And then what else?
This is a
Wolf Infest. Mas interesado na siya sa kanyang nilalaro. I can do it. 2 humans. Betty Basket. Travel to Mars. Okay. Thank you, seller, for this beautiful books. I hope Andrew can read it. Will read it. Para hindi sayang naman ang binayad natin kay Shopee. Ay, hindi sayang ang libro. O, tignan nyo si Andre. Wala na siyang pakialam. Bye!
bye.